Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a product from a beauty brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called Trust Fund Beauty and I got the Better Than Therapy Lip Oil in my November 2021 Boxycharm base box, which if you still have not seen that unboxing video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below so that you can check out all of the products that I got in that box this month. But I am just so surprised but so happy about the fact that this is day 1382 of me trying a new makeup product every day here on YouTube, and I am still finding new makeup brands that I have never even heard of before, never tried before, and I'm getting them in my beauty subscription boxes. So I just love that. I love trying out new brands. It's so exciting. This one is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, 10-free. It retails for $18, which I think is expensive for a lip oil, but if it has nourishing ingredients in it, then that's helpful. Oh my gosh, my lips are so dry right now that I can feel like the dry patch. It's like bothering me as I'm talking. Cute, right? Let's hope this lip oil helps me with that. But this is a non-sticky lip oil that's supposed to soften and moisturize your lips, and it's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. It's formulated with therapeutic vitamin E and a natural and subtle vanilla scent. Independently female owned and founded. Wow, so I'm definitely going to want to know in the comments down below if you've tried any Trust Fund Beauty products, what your thoughts are on them, what you recommend. But so here is what the packaging looks like. It's a pretty, not too extravagant packaging. Kind of surprised for an $18 lip oil. But it has a little doe foot applicator. Wow, it actually kind of looks like it has little flecks of gold in it. So that's cute. And yeah, it definitely has that kind of classic vanilla scent that I associate like with nostalgic lip products. So I like that. Let's hope I like how it is on my lips. Ooh, I like the thick formula. It feels so nice and silky on my lips. Oh, seriously, such a beautiful texture. With a lip oil, I never really know quite what texture to expect, but this is more like a thicker gloss texture, which I love. Oh, good, and it really did completely moisturize and hydrate my lips. So that's something I really look for in a hydrating, moisturizing lip product. I don't want it to just coat over the dry areas of my lips. I want it to get rid of those dry patches. I want it to smooth out my lips. I want it to deeply moisturize my lips. And that is what is happening with this. Thank goodness. Oh my gosh, this really did help me with my severely chapped lips. They don't look or feel the least bit chapped anymore. This has beautiful shine. The lines in my lips are so much smoother. So it really does enhance the lips in all the ways that I'm looking for. And really not sticky at all. Wow, it lives up to those claims. It lives up to my hopes and expectations. I keep looking at my lips in the mirror here because I'm just so impressed by how immediately hydrating and smoothing this is. And I just love the texture of it. Wow. Well, now I really want to try out more Trust Fund Beauty products. A very quick but successful makeup review. That's what I really want in my lip products. The lip product that I tried out yesterday, I was really hopeful for that to completely moisturize my lips, and I was so surprised at how bad it was for me. But this here, completely different story. I love this. I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of this now that it's cold and my lips are so chapped, I'm not even worried about my lips being so chapped anymore because this product completely heals them and gets rid of that. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.